Port mapping is a type of port forwarding, and it allows users to forward traffic for a device from one port to another. On the Peplink MAX BR1, it means the following. Traffic that is received by the router via the specified protocol at the specified port is forwarded via a different port to the servers specified by the server IP setting. To put it another way, imagine you're in front of a brick wall that has a magic door. Use the right key or port, and it opens to the device you need to access. The way this works in the real world is that the firewall translates the WAN IP you enter along with the port number into the correct route to the device on your LAN. In our example, we have one of our IP switches connected to the LAN of our BR1 Mini. As you can see here, I have the login page up for the switch. This is so that I can confirm the address I can access locally, as well as the port, which is 80. Moving back to my PepWave, I want to note my cellular connection established here is with a public static IP address. This will allow me to connect to my switch remotely. First, I'm going under the Status tab and Client List page on the PepWave, so I can reserve the IP switch's address on the LAN. This ensures that the address will not change and cause my port mapping rule to stop working. To do this, I'll click the Tag button to the right of my 622B switch, and in the pop-up window, I'll click Save. Note that you can change the name here if desired. After saving, click Apply Changes. Now I can go under the Advanced tab to access the port forwarding page. Click on the Add Service button to begin. I'll give this a unique name to identify it first. In our example, the IP protocol will be set to TCP and port set to port mapping. I'm making the port 8080, and then the map to port is what the device is currently listening at, which is port 80. For inbound connections, I'm selecting my cellular connection and its static IP. Lastly, I'll input the IP address of the IP switch. With this rule, the TCP traffic on port 80 is forwarded to the IP switch web user interface via port 8080. Click Save when done, and again click Apply Changes to complete the setup. Now that I'm done with my configuration, I'm going to connect to a different LAN and see if I can successfully reach my IP switch using the static IP and port 8080 that I have my port mapping set up for. Let's take a look. There we have it. That's all there is to it. If you're looking for more videos about these products, please subscribe to our channel.